This isn't your average fried chicken. This is lemon fried chicken, crispy, zesty, and dangerously addictive. And I'm pairing it with Lemon Orzo that'll change your side dish game forever.
Very crispy, as she said, you know. I actually like that part the most, but it also has like its own unique flavor. So
in doing this Lemon Orzo, I really like the nice, refreshing taste on my palate. And it is absolutely divine. Oh my gosh. The chicken is nice and tender. Let's get cooking. We're making our lemon fried chicken today. Okay, our chicken's already been cleaned with some acid, which is just some lemon juice. Then I rinsed it off, pat it dry. It is now soaking in our buttermilk, and we have seasoned our chicken with this seasoning here that I'm going to add to our flour. And we over-seasoned our chicken because the buttermilk will absorb most of the seasoning. So we also want to season our flour. So here we go. And all the measurements and ingredients will be listed for you. And here are a list of ingredients. Adding some Montreal chicken seasoning, some garlic powder, some onion powder, staples to cooking right away. Onion powder, garlic powder. Just some little Cajun seasoning here. I have some lemon pepper, Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning. A little bit of smoked paprika. Some black pepper. Okay, I'm just going to mix my flour with my fingers. If the flour doesn't look like it has some color in it, that means it has no real seasoning. My flour looks no longer white. All right, so I'm gonna grab my buttermilk piece in here. I'm gonna shake it off, and actually I'm gonna teach you a little trick. Put some of your buttermilk in here, in your flour, and that helps your chicken to become crispy. Just shake off the excess. It's usually wet and dry, so here we go, some dry here. We're gonna do a double dip here. I'm gonna put it in, just make sure all my crevices are covered. Then we're gonna put it in some egg, and then back into the buttermilk. So here we are, wet. Well, I'll take this wet one here. Make sure that you check your oil. Your oil should be 350 or above. Now I'm gonna do an exchange here. Here's our vitamin content. So we double dipped our chicken, and I'm allowing it to rest so then I can fry it. So it was soaked in buttermilk, seasoned flour coating. It's an egg, and then back into the seasoned flour coating. I've allowed it to rest here, and then now I'm going to fry it. And you don't want to crowd your chicken, so I have 3 pieces in here now. This is what our chicken would look like when it's fried up. Okay, so our chicken is all fried up. I'm just gonna garnish it with a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. I have a butter lemon parsley little sauce. I put some lemon zest in it, so kind of have that here, kind of going on. Let me add a little bit more zest that I have here. I'll top it with a slice of lemon. There we go. Voila. Well, Gio, look what we have here. We have a lemon fried chicken with what?
Orzo.
We have lemon orzo. So you are a resident taste tester, and you're gonna let us know how it tastes. I hear that crunch in the chicken. Double fried chicken.
Very crispy, as she said, you know. I actually like that part the most, but it also has like its own unique flavor, so I think it's really good.
In doing this lemon orzo, I really like the nice, refreshing taste on my palate. This orzo is made with, a little bit of the pasta water, but it has some zested lemon in it, and has a little chicken bouillon, some black pepper. What else, Gio, does it have in it?
Some butter.
Some butter and some grated fresh Parmigiano Reggiano. And it is absolutely divine. Now this chicken, ooh, you hear that crunch? Oh my gosh. This is actually divine with this nice freshness. The chicken is nice and tender from being in the buttermilk. Really enjoyable. To cook your orzo, just follow the box instructions to be al dente. Thank you for hanging out with us today, eating our lemon fried chicken with our lemon orzo. And we ask you to come back again and hang out with us in our next video. We love you, and we'll see you soon.